and welcome to Elev8. We're so happy to have you here today.
This is Fun Across America.
In today's adventure, we are in Sanford, Florida, just outside of Orlando. And right here is the AAMA FEC of the Year award-winning Elev8 Fun. Over 125,000 square feet of things to do. Let's go check it out. I'm here with Keith at Elev8 Fun in Sanford, Florida, an AAMA FEC of the Year award winner. Why did this place win that award?
For the facility, our offerings have 125,000 square feet of fun and entertainment. So they picked us and we won.
This place is huge. Do you know what it used to be before it was this?
This is our flagship. It's an old Sears in this location. Our second location is in Tampa, also an old Sears, both 2 stories.
All right, cool. And so, I mean, how many square feet did you say this was?
125,000.
Oh my gosh.
Right,
On
yeah.
2 levels?
On 2 levels, 65 up, 65 down.
All right, enough standing around. Elev8 Fun's 2 levels of experiences were waiting, so I asked Keith to give me a full tour of this incredible facility.
What is this?
All right, so this is our ropes course. It's called Sky Trail, and it's also a clip and climb feature as well. So it's a ropes course. So you get up, you get tethered up, you get harnessed up, and you walk around all day long. And we don't have a time limit on ours. You go up there as long as you want and come down as well. And this feature right here is called clip and climb. It's like a rock wall with different features as well. And underneath it, we put in a mini golf course, glow in the dark.
Did Keith just say mini golf? You all know how I feel about mini golf, and there's something extra special when it glows in the dark.
Originally, we did not have the mini golf underneath, so it was an exposed area kind of for parties. But we found out that the enhancement of this kind of made it more fun.
Yeah. You're playing golf here. People are climbing all around you. I'm sure it gets pretty busy here, especially probably on the weekends.
It really does. Okay. You know, what's unique about mini golf is Grandma can play with Johnny and Susie.
Yeah.
It's multi-generational, so it's really fun.
I didn't play 2 years of JV golf for nothing.
Keith's personal tour continued, and then something caught my eye.
And so I see the statues here. We're from the land of the Vikings in Minnesota.
Yeah.
So these might be my cousins for all I know. But
it's part of the architecture. Our owner is a little eclectic,
Sure.
so he acquires things, and we thought it was a nice accent to the theming.
Yeah.
This place isn't just huge, they really made the most of this space with no corners cut.
What's lucky?
Putt is a, for all lack of a better term, it's a drinking game. So, literally it's electronic. So your score is actually on the profile itself. So you register at the kiosk, you grab a club, you put the club to the kiosk, it identifies you, and then as you go to each hole, put the club in, and then it brings your score up, and then that's your profile. So it actually literally follows you around. There's no more mini golf scorecards.
So you don't have to toy around with who's got the card, who's got the pencil broke, whatever you're used to.
That's all gone.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is unique.
I was really starting to love Elev8 Fun. 2 options for mini golf and laser tag in the distance.
This is by Laser Blast, and it's what do you call it? We have a lot of team building with this as well, as well as the mom and dad and kids playing as well.
Yeah. So
we can do 10 on 10, 5 on 5, and then we let them blue team, red team, and then we let them play.
Laser tag's come a long way since when I was a kid.
It really has. A lot of people are doing 2-story. We're sticking with the 1 level,
Yeah.
but we have a larger space in order for the arena itself.
The laser tag arena was awesome, but where Keith brought me next is what really sets Elev8 apart. An incredible multi-level indoor go-kart track. High-speed thrills are coming up next.
This is unique because it is a 2-level track inside of our facility, and it's a fast track as well.
Wow.
Now, us being so close to Daytona, this is a great symmetry between the track and us as well. So go-karting is a huge here.
Yeah.
So when you play, the cars go up to 45, so and the little kids is 35. But we still have to monitor and make sure it's safe.
I think 45 miles an hour is the fastest I'd ever been on an indoor go-kart track. I asked Keith if I could just drive this home. He said he'd get back to me on that. And sure, my 3rd place out of 3 wasn't exactly a NASCAR-worthy finish, but at least it was a photo finish with Elev8 Fun's highlight videos and on-track photography that let you take some of the racing memories home. Racing, climbing, golfing, and walking around this massive facility had me hungry. It was time to sample some of Elev8's craft kitchen offerings. Hot off the grill was the best Philly cheesesteak Central Florida has to offer.
Love a good cheesesteak.
Completing my feast were some delicious tacos, 2 incredible desserts, and a pit stop at one of Elev8 Fun's bars, fully stocked for those adult nights out. Up next was a full tour of Elev8 Fun's massive arcade space, featuring just about any arcade game you can imagine and a fan favorite for every age. Then it was time to step into the AAMA Arena, a fully immersive virtual reality experience.
Different options to choose from. We could do Dead Zone Zombies, Elite Force, The Paranormal, Rhythm Master, Gunslinger, Blackbeard. Let's do Gunslinger.
I think that one's really good.
Okay, sweet. Pick the good one. Gotta defend the town, protect the supplies. We've done VR before, but the first time that I'm ever trying this with the walking and running element included.
Inside the AAMA Arena, not only are you equipped with a VR headset and handhelds, but you're also inside of a 360-degree walkway that allows you to fully immerse yourself into the virtual world and feel like you're inside the game. For a minute, I left Sanford, Florida, and was a gunslinging cowboy in the Wild West. It's a full-body workout, and one of the most fun gaming experiences I've ever had.
Whew. I feel like I could have gone 200 times harder and I'm still sweating.
The options for fun here at Elev8 are endless. I can definitely see why they won that award. Cosmic bowling and more adventure awaited me inside this amazing facility. But it was time to catch back up with Keith.
So let's talk a little bit more about the AAMA. How do you think that being a part of AAMA has helped you in this facility?
Well, you know, it's like-minded people. You know, family entertainment people that are all about guest experience and creating memories. That's part of the membership, and that's really that's almost priceless as well.
Yeah. Would you recommend to other entertainment centers to be a part of the AAMA?
I would. You know, again, in this industry, you don't want to be on an island. You know, if you have something with you know, your game card system or a best place to buy buy a video game or a vendor or recommendations.
Yeah.
So it's a place to you know, talk, engage, and socialize and network.
And I feel like it kind of is part of that saying of rising tides raise all ships. Of, you know, if they can help you and, you know, everything, that everybody wins.
Correct. You know, we want as an industry, we want to see everyone be successful, and that membership helps with that goal.
Absolutely. What do you want your guests to say after leaving the doors here when telling other people about this place?
When visiting Elev8, our goal, every guest that leaves that says, "Wow, that was great. I'll be back."
For you personally, what's your favorite part about your role with the company?
That's a good question. I like the ability to, again, have these facilities to create memories. And I'm pretty fast on the track as well.
Are you ready? It's the go-karts. It's the go-karts. He gave the PR answer, but it's the go-karts.
It's the go-karts.
So that was the AAMA award-winning Elev8 Fun here in Sanford, Florida. We had a blast, and we know you will too. So go check it out next time you're in town. We will see you at the next place.
Thank you to our partners at Rides for You for supporting our show. Rides for You is the source for all of your amusement equipment needs. They supply both new and used rides to carnivals, parks, and family entertainment centers in the US and across the globe. They also specialize in high-tech color-changing LED lighting systems for amusement rides and other structures that can be seen from miles away. For more information, head to ridesforyou.com, which is linked in our description.
And hey, don't forget to subscribe so you can catch every single one of our episodes and hit the bell just so you don't miss it. Thanks.